Hi Rohini.
Hi.
Help me with a quick description like how your SYB journey has been till now. So,
First of all, thank you so much for really giving me such a very good opportunity. And when I came here, as you were there, so everything was in my plate, but it was not in decorated way. So here I learned so many things. Like I have a still business plan, and now I am fully motivated to work on that. So it's great learning here.
great. Any specific aha moment that completely changed your perspective on starting a business?
Yeah, the aha moment was for me because after my education, I took a very long break. So here I found that okay, now I can restart myself and start my journey to achieve something.
Okay. Any specific advice for future SYB participants that you want to give?
Yes, before coming here, I personally feel that you need to prepare yourself like very small business or very small plan and start doing on that. So it would be really helpful for you because everyone your mentor, faculties, everyone are very supportive, and after that it would be like your for future it would be your great journey because first step you are in this institute. The second would be rest of the people will be helping you for that.
Great. Okay, that's a valuable suggestion. And lastly, can you just share how the mentorship sessions shaped your understanding of the business? So, how did the mentorship help you to understand the business idea that you brought in the program?
Yeah, I told you that my plan was not organized. So here, in accounting, either creativity or advertisement, everything for each session, mentors are there, and personally they give you very good response on that. If you start working, it would be really helpful for the students.
Great, that's a lovely suggestion. I think that would really help the future SYU participants to take their decision on the program. Thank
Yes,
you. Thank you
thank you
so
so
much.
much.